Let me show you how an antigen test is done. If you need to take the test, it is a mandatory requirement and will be administered by a trained practitioner who will be wearing full PPE. Before you take the test, you will need to complete a consent form and provide some personal information. You will need to provide written consent every time you take the test. All clinical data will be stored confidentially by the test provider and will not be shared. This particular testing kit uses a swab inserted into the back of the throat and sweeps the back of the throat first. The same swab is then inserted into each nostril to sweep the back of the nasal cavity to collect your sample. It takes just a few minutes to complete and is mildly uncomfortable for just a few moments. There may be slight variations on procedure depending on the testing provider, but there are no serious side effects from taking the antigen test. Once complete, the swab is then sent to the lab and the results should be received the next working day. Nobody else will receive your result. It is completely confidential. If the result is negative, you will receive a message and you can proceed to your place of work. If your result is positive, you will receive a call from a clinician who will talk you through the next steps, including advice for any members of your household. You will not be able to enter the workplace and will need to self-isolate in line with the latest government advice. If you do not pick up the call, you will receive a message instead. You will need to tell the producer the outcome of your test. If another member of your close contact cohort has received a positive result, you will be informed. The individual will not be named. You'll be instructed to self-isolate in line with government advice to protect all members of the cohort as well as the wider production team. This test will be performed before filming starts and then once a week moving forward. The BBC has worked in partnership with ITV, Sky and the Department for Digital Culture, Media and Sport to develop this regime of regular testing as part of a range of infection control measures. We thank everyone for their ongoing support and cooperation in keeping productions safe.